Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to keep your laptop screen on when the lid is closed within Windows 11. So within Windows 11, hit to the search box here on the taskbar and search out for Control Panel. When you type out CO, Control Panel should become the best match. So let's select that. Once you have Control Panel up, come to Hardware and Sound here. Then you want Power Options. And on the left hand side, you'll see here towards the middle, choose what closing the lid does. Select that. Now here, again towards the middle, you have two options, on battery and plugged in. And then also, when I press the power button, what you want it to do, but what we want is here, when I close the lid and on batteries, the first one here, you just simply select do nothing. You can also do that when plugged in also, so do nothing. And then you want to press save changes. And then when you close your laptop's lid, nothing will happen and the laptop screen will stay on. So that's how to keep your laptop screen on when the lid is closed in Windows 11. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.